Dino Land Rescue, written by Young Learners Curriculum, Level Pre-A1. One warm day in Dino Land, Almira finds an egg in the sand. It's big and white, she said. I will find my friends, she ran ahead. Leo runs. He runs so fast. Theo swings his tail right past. Jake and Severo say, "Yay! Hooray!" Lisa flies in. She's ready to play. Crack, crack. The egg shakes slow. It's hatching now, says Jake. Oh no. Whoosh. The wind blows it away. The egg rolls slowly down the hill that day. Almira finds a map, so old. Let's save the egg. Be brave. Be bold. They cross a bridge and climb a hill. They walk through trees. They don't sit still. The egg is stuck behind a light. It shines and sparkles, big and bright. A fire dome is in the way. Let's solve 3 clues to save the day. Crack! The egg goes open wide. A baby dino jumps outside. He says, "Roar!" and claps with glee. Hooray, my friends! You rescued me.